As noted in the Sterling Trader Pro user guide, you can assign local order entry settings that will override the global order entry settings. These local settings will enable you to instantly alternate or switch between account name, order size, and order destination, so you can make immediate adjustments to your trading strategy on the fly. To elaborate on this, we'll quickly go over the default global settings. View, Settings, Global Order Entry. First, we'll set the global default for order share quantity. We'll go to the Equities tab. We'll change the default quantity from 100 to 300. Next, to set the default account, we'll go to the Destinations tab. We'll assign the account on the top row, Joseph. Note the asterisk in the desk column on the left. This indicates that the account I'm selecting here will be loaded by default for all destinations. Next, we'll assign the global default destination. This will be in the Listing Exchanges tab, and we'll add the destination on the top row, NSX. Note the asterisk in the List Exchange column on the top left. This confirms that the order destination NSX will always be loaded by default regardless of the symbol's primary listing market. So if we look at the Level 2 window, we see Account Joseph, Share Size 300, Destination NSX. And now if we open up a second Level 2 window and add a different symbol, we'll still see the same values by default. Account Joseph, Share Size 300, Default Destination NSX, for these are global settings. But now suppose I want to use different settings for a particular OE window. For instance, what if I want to dedicate one Level 2 window to ETF orders only? Here I'll change the symbol from Del to Diamond. This can be easily done by going into View, Local Order Entry Settings, and making the following changes. Account, I will change from Joseph to Terry. Destination, I will change from NSX to ARCA. And quantity to open position, I will change from 300 to 500 shares. And if opportunity knocks for either or both of these OE windows, even at the same time, I am ready to engage the markets involved. While the global settings remain intact, see here, Joseph, 300 shares, NSX, this specific window is now distinct with its own local settings for ETF. Account Terry, share amount 500, destination ARCA. This concludes the second part of our Level 2 OE setup tutorial.